Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special recipe for you, and that's my sardine soup. Please don't knock it until you try it. It tastes exactly like fish tea, and I know that you'll be amazed by the flavor. So let's grab our ingredients and go cook. Here are my ingredients, and I'll be listing them down below in the description bar. However, I did not use any green bananas, and I'm not making any dumplings for this soup. I usually do, but I did not have any green bananas at the time of this video, and I did not feel like having any dumpling. I started off by washing and cleaning my pumpkin, and I'm just cutting them in small pieces. I'm not doing a uniform cut, I'm just cutting them in small pieces so I can get them to boil quickly. I placed 2 pegs of garlic in my water to boil, and now I'm adding in my cut pumpkin pieces, and I'm just going to allow that to boil for 15 minutes or until the pumpkin is tender. It's been 15 minutes and I'm checking on my pieces and they have started cooking, so I'm just pressing them against the side of the pot just to release the flavor and the coloring, because I really want my soup to look yellow, orange, whatever color it is, but I want it to have that pumpkin color. So I went ahead and pre-cut my vegetables while my pumpkin was boiling. I cut them in random sized pieces. Some are big, some are small. I cut them depending on what I like to taste more. You can cut them to whatever size you want, big or small. This is just my preference. I added my cut vegetables to the pot, and I also went off camera and cleaned my sardines. I took out the bones and other stuff that I wouldn't be eating if I was eating the sardines a different way. I just kept the oil and everything else. The oil is what's going to give it flavor or help to give it flavor. After adding my sardines, I immediately started to flavor my pot with the Grace fish soup mix, and I'm also adding scallion, thyme, salt, all those good jazz. Again, all the ingredients would be listed in the description bar. I'll be covering the pot and allowing it to cook for another 15 minutes or until my vegetables are tender. There you have it, guys. The soup is all done. It's quick, it's easy, and it's very tasty. This is one of those recipes that you say don't knock it until you try it. Please, I'm asking you to try this dish. You will love it. Please remember to subscribe, share, and comment down below when you try this recipe and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.